Ocean views stretching for miles, serene privacy, and endless potential. Welcome to San Juanillo.
This property is the perfect canvas for a developer, investor, or anyone looking to create something truly special here in Costa Rica. With water access already in place, the path to building is already underway. Just 2 kilometers away from the beach, this amazing piece of land offers the ideal blend of privacy, natural beauty, and convenient access to the coasts of Costa Rica. Imagine luxury villas, a boutique hotel, an eco-community, or a stunning private estate with sweeping Pacific Ocean views. Anything is possible here. Properties this large, this close to the beach, and with this much potential are becoming harder and harder to find. This is much more than land. It's a rare opportunity to build something truly unique here in Costa Rica's most sought-after coastal areas. Contact me now for more information before this opportunity is gone.